students. Today we are gathered here from attend the 7th class students assembly. So I request to all parents and students to turn off your mic and attend the assembly silently and encourage to all students. Then I request assembly student to start the today's assembly. All of you ready for today's assembly? Then I request Dhanashri Urkude to present today's assembly. Dhanashri Urkude.
Hello, a very good evening, respected teacher, parents, and dear friends. I am Dhanashri Urkude. First, I wish to all of you a new year and welcome to all for the IU assembly. Today, standard 7 student conduct the assembly. So I request to all of you please attend the assembly silently. Attention! Start the national anthem. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उच्चल वंग विंध्य हिमालय यमुना गंगा उत्तरी तरंग जागे तव शुभ क्षमा मंगलदायक जय हे भारत जय हे जय हे जय माता की जय भारत माता की जय. Start the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall away to be stayed worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elder respect and treat everyone with charities. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Start the constitution.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constitutional Assembly, this 26th of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
On your hands, close your eyes and start the prayer.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall walk in hand, we shall walk in hand, we shall walk in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe. We shall overcome someday. The truth shall make us free. The truth shall make us free. The truth shall make us free someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe the truth shall make us free someday. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we are not afraid today. We are not afraid today. We are not afraid today.
Drop your hand. Put them on your eyes and say, thank you God, thank you for everything. Have a nice day. Today on 2nd January 2021 on the COVID-19 live season, first time 107 students present assembly. So today assembly is starting with today's good thought. So I request Prathamesh to tell us today's good thought.
Good morning to all. Myself Prathamesh. Today's good thought. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you Prathamesh. Then I request to Vaidahi to tell us today's day special.
Good morning to all. Myself Vaidehi. Today's special. Today is the birth anniversary of Guru Gobind Singh and today is the National Fiction Day. Thank you.
Thank you Vaidahi. Then I request Vaishnavi to tell a story.
Good morning to all. My name is Vaishnavi Zambule. Today's story, Learning to Mistake. Thomas Edison tried 2000 different materials of a filament for the light bulb. When none worked satisfactorily, his assistant complained, all our work is in vain. We've learned nothing, not sure if we can use electricity properly. Edison replied very confidently, oh, we have learning to Sorry. Good morning to all. My name is Vaishnavi Jambore. Today's story, Learning to Mistake. Thomas Edison replied, Thomas Edison tried 2000 different materials of a filament for the light bulb. When none worked satisfactorily, his assistant complained, all our work we learn nothing, not sure if we can use electricity. Edison replied very confidently, oh, we have a long way and we have learned too lot. We know that there are 2000 elements which cannot use to make a good light bulb. The moral of the story: we can also learn from our mistakes. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Then I request to Gargi to tell a speech.
Good morning to respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Gargi Nampalivar from class 7th. Today I would like to share my views on prevention of coronavirus. Coronavirus has spread all over the world. Lot of countries face the negative impact of this disease. Until a proper medicine or vaccine is developed, we should be careful and take all prevention measures to be safe from this disease. Wearing a mask, outdoor cleaning, hand off and social distancing are primarily to prevent the disease. Additionally, we must not touch our face with unclean hand. A person having fever or cough should take immediately medical advice. We should also engage ourselves in some physical activities or yoga for fitness. Staying away from stress and taking enough sleep is also necessary. Activities Staying away from stress and taking enough sleep is also necessary. Many scientists all over the world are continuously doing research on the coronavirus. Till we get a proper remedy for this disease, we need to stay careful and protect ourselves. With this, I conclude my speech. I wish you a all healthy and happy life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Gargi. A very thank you to all teachers, parents, and my dear friend to attend the assembly silently. Thank you and have a nice day. Today assembly is over.
Hello. Hello. A very thank you to all teachers, parents, and my dear friends is attend